This question is from homework 5-2, part D, and it's problem number 5 in the homework. Now, you see I have n and pi here. Those are going to vary from problem to problem. This is about a student taking a multiple choice test, and she has no clue, so she puts balls in a box, A, B, C, D, and marks them, and pulls them out to answer each question, puts it back in. So pretty good strategy, right? In this question that I was asked about, the test consisted of 5 questions. Yours may say 7 questions, 6 questions, whatever, but n is going to be the number of questions. It's all going to be multiple choice, the A, B, C, D, so for all of us, our probability of success is going to be 1/4. So we'll all be using this number for pi, but n may vary depending on your problem. Now, I've got the question for part D here, and I've got my formula here. This is my formula for a binomial distribution. She has just as good a chance of picking out a right answer, which is a 1/4 chance on each problem because she's replacing the ball each time. Okay, it says, what is the probability she'll get no more than 2 questions correct? Sometimes that wording can be confusing. No more than, if it's not more than, that means less than or equal to 2 questions correct. Okay, now that includes the probability that she'll get no answers correct, plus the probability that she'll get 1 answer correct, plus the probability that she will get exactly 2 answers correct. So the wording no more than means either less than or equal. Now, these probabilities you might have found in some of the previous questions. There's 3 questions prior to this. But remember, to get these probabilities, we use this formula here. So for example, for 0, my n in my case is I have 5 questions on my test. You may have a different number. X is 0. Remember, 0 factorial is 1. We have 5 minus 0 factorial. Pi for a multiple choice question with 4 possibilities is going to be 1/4 to the 0 power here. There's my x here and here. And then 1 minus 1/4, and that's to the n minus x power, which is going to be 5 minus 0. Okay, let's just calculate this, and then I'm sure you can do these two, and then you'll just add them all together. Remember, 0 factorial is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So, and that's 5 factorial. 5 minus 0 is 5, so that'll be 5 factorial. And we're left with 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4, and that will be to the 5th power. And then we'll find the next one and the next one, and then add all those together.